Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm bringing you guys just this short little video of my very first collection from a Vendstar 3000 machine on location. And right now we are 2 subscribers away from 400 subs, so if you're watching this and you're not subscribed yet, then well, you know what to do. But I had a U-turn vending machine on this location before I had bought the Vendstar 3000 machines, and then this location doesn't do as good as my other one, so I thought that I would put the Vendstar here just to see how it does. Maybe it would get better sales, maybe not. So this is my first collection from a Vendstar 3000, and you can tell by the video length that it's really easy to collect from. It's a lot better than the U-turn vending machines in my opinion, and it's so much easier to collect the money. Except you can see here the quarters still get stuck on the top of the chute, which is a thing that I talked about earlier in an earlier video. But it's really not that much of an issue, it's just kind of a hassle to reach in and grab all the quarters. If you have any questions or comments or future video ideas, then please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. I love responding to you guys in the comments, and if you don't have anything to say, then just stick around till the end of the video to see how much I made from 2 weeks with this new Vendstar location. Alright, we're all done with the collection now, and unfortunately we only made $6 from 2 weeks, which definitely isn't the greatest, but profit is still profit, so I'll take it. I'm happy with that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and just thank you for all the support. We're almost to 400 subs, and that's so awesome, so just thank you guys for everything.